So here we go again. We got another system update for our OnePlus Nord. This is the 10.5.6, and if I'm not wrong, we got the 10.5.5 a week back, around 6 days or 7 days ago. And yeah, this is another update for our Nord, and it promises to fix the system wherein the system stability is improved, the camera wherein the image stabilization is improved, power where the general power consumption is improved, so better battery life, and in Bluetooth, again Bluetooth connectivity has been improved. And I have heard a lot of people having issues with Bluetooth from the previous update, which was 10.5.5, and I hope the Bluetooth has been fixed in this particular update itself. And yes, I also did face the Bluetooth connectivity drop issue on my OnePlus Nord. So yeah, I got a lot of comments and DMs on my Insta asking for this issue itself, and yeah, I hope it is fixed in this update. And yeah, props to OnePlus for pushing updates for this device and actually making the experience good for people owning this device. So yeah, we'll just be right back once the installation is done, and I'll just reboot the phone and I'll be right back with you. So here we go, and we'll just reboot and we'll be right back once it's done. Alright, so we are back in, and there we go. So this particular update fixed 4 major issues, or basically 4 major topics. So I can't really test each of them because they promised to improve the system stability, and I had no issues with the system in the previous update as well, but they have promised to improve the overall system performance of, or the stability of the phone. And I think the phone is pretty stable. I have seen no bugs on my OnePlus Nord since I had been using it, and it works just fine. Second thing is the camera, and I'll be definitely testing out the camera after the update, and I'll post a link, a Google Photos link of the photos I took from the OnePlus Nord. I'm also going to take a couple of pictures right now and post it in the album itself so that you guys could see if there is any improvement in the camera or not. So yeah, the link will be in the description down below. Just do check it out and let me know if the camera has been improved or not. Then the next thing is the battery life or the power consumption. So I have got a lot of DMs again on this topic as well, saying that the battery life isn't lasting longer. Like it used to last for a day before the update, and now it doesn't last. So I hope that is also being fixed in this particular update itself. So another thing is, if you don't get this update via the settings or through the system updater from settings, go into the link in the description below for an app called as Oxygen Updater, and then you'll basically get the new or the latest version of Oxygen OS on your phone. And yes, it is totally safe. You will definitely get the future updates as well. If you are dicey, or if you think you won't, you will definitely get the future updates from the settings itself. So that's a good thing. So it's not an official app, but you'll get the latest OTA from the app itself. Then the next thing to be fixed is Bluetooth, and again, as I said, I also had issues. Is the reason why I did a factory reset. I thought there was something wrong with my phone, so I did a factory reset, and yeah, hopefully they have fixed the Bluetooth. I have the OnePlus Wireless Z, the latest ones, and even on those I had connection issues on my Bluetooth. So I think and I hope that it is fixed now, and there should not be any Bluetooth dropouts or Bluetooth drops or the connection drops basically in this or after this update itself. So again, if you go to settings real quick, I'll go into about phone and I'll show you it is the Oxygen OS 10.5.6, and the AA and everything means either the global version of the ROM or Indian version or basically the European version. So that's just the difference. But yeah, this is the 10.5.6. And again, as I said, if you don't get this update officially through the system, download the Oxygen Updater app and you'll be fine with it as well. So yeah, again, do check the description out if you want to see pictures from this phone, or how good the pictures are, or are they fixed, or are the images fixed in the update. But I don't think the images will be fixed because it only said that the optical image stabilization has been improved. So I'll definitely shoot a video and post it in the description or the album itself, so do check it out. But yeah, for now that is pretty much it. This was the update, and let me know if everything is fixed, or if you guys still have issues after this update. Let me know everything down in the comment section. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and more videos on the OnePlus Nord coming soon in the future. So yeah, for now that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.